All right, here we come to the elevator at Muxi Yuan subway station in Beijing, China. This is specifically a Schindler elevator, but not just any type of Schindler elevator. Right, here it is. People are going to be inside coming off, just so you know.
这应该下几层了，下的。下了几层呢
B1.
下了 B1是吧？对，是。
Unfortunately, that text is smeared off, but this is an XU Schindler. Or XJ. This is an interesting brand. Let's go up to 1. The light is like literally flashing on camera. Or let's get a cab view. Here's your handicap panel right there. Installed in 2018. You can barely see that sign, but that says XU Schindler or XJ Schindler. This is definitely an interesting brand I've never heard of. I think we might go for one more ride. Notice the lights are blinking on camera. I never heard of a Schindler brand like this before. This is interesting. And I think we're gonna go ahead and end the video on 1. Love that chime. All right, we're gonna go ahead and end the video here. Here's your control box right there. Right, there it goes. Right, this will be a supplement to the other elevator that we just filmed that goes to the street. This is the platform elevator that goes to the train. And hopefully you're gonna see a much better view of the brand inside this elevator car, unlike the first one we rode, because the text got smeared off. All right, here's a much better view. That's right. This is an XJ Schindler. XJ Schindler. I'm gonna go ahead and get my cab view. Pretty much the same exact elevator. Well, it's officially confirmed. It's an XJ Schindler elevator. Gonna watch it close. All right, there it goes, and that's it.